In the Solvay process, the product from the calciner is A. light soda ash, B. dense soda ash, C. sodium bicarbonate, D. dehydrated soda ash. The correct answer is light soda ash. Commercially, ethylene is produced from naphtha by A. catalytic cracking, B. catalytic dehydrogenation, C. pyrolysis, D. hydrocracking. The correct answer is hydrocracking. Polyvinyl chloride (PVC) is a material A. thermosetting, B. thermoplastic, C. fibrous, D. chemically active. The correct answer is thermoplastic. Pig iron is produced by blast furnaces in India using mostly the iron ore named A. hematite, B. magnetite, C. siderite, D. chalcopyrite. The correct answer is hematite. The difference between saponification value and acid value is A. called ester value, B. always negative, C. constant for all fatty oils, D. none of these. The correct answer is called ester value. Fourdrinier machine is used in the manufacture of A. nylon 6, B. paper, C. antibiotics, D. sugar. The correct answer is paper. Penicillin is made employing fermentation process A. continuous, B. aerobic batch, C. anaerobic batch, D. none of these. The correct answer is aerobic batch. Sulphuric acid saturated with SO3 is called A. concentrated H2SO4, B. sulfurous acid, C. oleum, D. none of these. The correct answer is oleum. Nylon 66 is so named because the A. average degree of polymerization of the polymer is 1966. B. number of carbon atoms between two nitrogen atoms are 6. C. number of nitrogen atoms between two carbon atoms are 6. D. polymer was first synthesized in 1966. The correct answer is average degree of polymerization of the polymer is 1966. Wet chlorine gas produced during electrolysis of brine is dehydrated by A. spraying 66Bh2SO4 counter current to the flow of the gas, B. passing it through a bed of diatomaceous earth, C. passing it through a bed of silica gel, D. none of these. The correct answer is spraying 66Bh2SO4 counter current to the flow of the gas. CaSO4. H2O is known as A. blue vitriol, B. plaster of Paris, C. gypsum, D. zeolite. The correct answer is plaster of Paris. Of quicklime produces slaked lime. A. hydration, B. dehydration, C. hydrogenation, D. none of these. The correct answer is hydration. Main product in calcium carbide water reaction is A. CaOH2, B. C2H2, C. CO2, D. CaCO3. The correct answer is C2H2. Glauber's salt is chemically A. calcium sulfate, B. potassium sulfate, C. potassium chlorate, D. none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Which of the following fuel gases contains maximum amount of carbon monoxide? A. coke oven gas, B. water gas, C. blast furnace gas, D. LD converter gas. The correct answer is LD converter gas. Baking soda is chemically represented by A. Na2CO3, B. NiHCO3, C. Na2CO3.H2O, D. Na2CO3.10H2O. The correct answer is NiHCO3. P.T.F.E polytetrafluoroethylene is commercially known as A. bakelite, B. neoprene, C. Teflon. D. Nylon 66. The correct answer is Teflon. Which of the following is an additional step in the manufacture of paper from bagasse as compared to that from bamboo? A. Pithing. B. Digestion. C. Bleaching. D. None of these. The correct answer is pithing. Percentage of glycerine present in the spent lye obtained during soap manufacture is about A. 0.5. B. 5. C. 20. D. 35. The correct answer is 5. Concentration of NaOH solution produced by diaphragm electrolytic cell is about %. A. 10. B. 25. C. 50. D. 98. The correct answer is 10. Commercial production of Vanaspati is done by of edible vegetable oils. A. Hydrogenation. B. Oxidation. C. Hydrolysis. D. Hydrocracking. The correct answer is hydrogenation. Which catalyst is used in the manufacture of ethylene oxide by oxidation of ethylene? A. Ago. B. L2O3. C. ZnCl2. D. Fe2O3. The correct answer is Ago. Phenolic antiseptics are added in the soap. A. Shaving. B. Medicated. C. Metallic. D. Transparent. The correct answer is medicated. Solvay process is used for the manufacture of A. Caustic soda. B. Soda ash. C. Caustic potash. D. Soda lime. The correct answer is soda ash. A mixture of chlorine sodium bromide acts as A. Insecticides. B. Analgesic drug. C. Fire retardant. D. Hydrogenation catalyst. The correct answer is fire retardant. Which is a high-grade pulp? A. Rag pulp. B. Mechanical pulp. C. Sulfate pulp. D. Sulfite pulp. The correct answer is sulfate pulp. Stereospecific agents are exemplified by A. Radiation. B. Supported metal oxide catalysts. C. Ziegler catalysts. D. All ABC. The correct answer is all ABC. Starting material for the production of butadiene in India is A. Naphthalene. B. Benzol. C. Ethyl alcohol. D. Talic anhydride. The correct answer is ethyl alcohol. Yellow phosphorus is transported under A. Air. B. Water. C. Nitrogen. D. Helium. The correct answer is water. Permanent hardness of water can be removed by A. Simply boiling. B. Adding alum. C. Passing it through cation anion exchanges. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is passing it through cation anion exchanges. Celluloid is chemically A. Cellulose acetate. B. Regenerated cellulose. C. Cellulose nitrate. D. Cellulose acetate butyrate. The correct answer is cellulose nitrate. Double contact double absorption DCDA process is the most recent process for the manufacture of A. Nitric acid. B. Sulphuric acid. C. Ammonium sulfate. D. Hydrochloric acid. The correct answer is sulphuric acid. Which of the following is an explosive? A. Nitroglycerine. B. Trinitrotoluene TNT. C. Cellulose nitrate. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Zeolite is used in the A. Water treatment. B. Glass manufacture. C. Hydrogenation of fatty oil as a catalyst. D. Development of exposed photographic plate. The correct answer is water treatment. Thermoplastic materials. A. Do not soften on application of heat. B are heavily branched molecules. C are solvent insoluble. D none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Carbon tetrachloride CCl4 is the starting raw material for the manufacture of A. trichloroethylene, B. perchloroethylene, C. paraffin, D. methanol. The correct answer is perchloroethylene. Salt is added in the kettle during soap manufacture to separate A. soap from lye, B. glycerine from lye, C. the metallic soap, D. the unsaponified fat from soap. The correct answer is soap from lye. Manufacture of phthalic anhydride uses as a catalyst A. Ni, B. Cr, C. V2O5, D. L2O3. The correct answer is V2O5. Which of the following is not a product of coal tar distillation? A. anthracene, B. creosote oil, C. carbolic oil, D. none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Teflon is A. phenol formaldehyde, B. an inorganic polymer, C. polytetrafluoroethylene P.T.F.E, D. a monomer. The correct answer is polytetrafluoroethylene P.T.F.E. Chrome tanning and vegetable tanning are done for A. light heavy leather respectively, B. heavy light leather respectively, C. both light heavy leather, D. neither light nor heavy leather. The correct answer is light heavy leather respectively. Catalyst used during the manufacture of Vanaspati Ghee is A. zinc, B. nickel, C. platinum, D. copper. The correct answer is nickel. Iron ore hematite is concentrated using A. electromagnetic separation mainly, B. gravity separation, C. froth flotation, D. roasting. The correct answer is gravity separation. Refractory bricks burnt at very high temperature have got A. greater resistance to corrosion by slags, B. less resistance to corrosion by slags, C. high spalling tendency, D. none of these. The correct answer is greater resistance to corrosion by slags. Nitrile rubber is produced by the polymerization of A. acrylonitrile and butadiene, B. acrylonitrile and styrene, C. isobutylene and isoprene, D. none of these. The correct answer is acrylonitrile and butadiene. Carbon disulphide is mainly used in the production of A. viscous rayon, B. corundum, C. plasticizer for unsaturated polyester, D. paints. The correct answer is viscous rayon. 99.5 purity oxygen is used in A. cutting and welding by oxyacetylene flame, B. hospitals for medicinal purposes, C. gas masks and artificial breathing apparatus, D. all A, B and C. The correct answer is all A, B and C. Nylon 6 is manufactured from A. caprolactam, B. hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid, C. hexamethylene diamine and maleic anhydride, D. hexamethylene diamine and sebacic acid. The correct answer is caprolactam. Permanent hardness of water can be removed by A. boiling, B. adding CaOH2, C. boiling it with Na2CO3, D. none of these. The correct answer is boiling it with Na2CO3. Sizing material is incorporated in paper to A. impart resistance to penetration by liquids, B. increase its thickness, C. increase its flexibility opacity, D. increase its brightness. The correct answer is impart resistance to penetration by liquids.